Oke, halo, assalamualaikum. Terima kasih banyak untuk yang sudah subscribe akun YouTube-nya Ratu Skumbang, yang udah ngikutin terus video-video dari Ratu. Dan kali ini Ratu mau covering satu lagu dari Adele, When We Were Young, untuk kita semuanya. Everybody love the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You like a dream come true. But if I think you here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, it reminds me for you. Let me photograph you in this light, in case there is a last time. They remind me exactly like we were before we realized we're instead of getting on the medicine race. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. To face my fears, 'cause nobody told me that you'd be here all day. And I saw you move our first things. That's what you say when you left me. You still look like a movie, you still sound like a song. God, it reminds me when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case there is a last time. They remind me exactly like we were before we realized we're instead of getting on and made it restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. When we oh, baby, baby, it's hard to win my team. Everything just take me back. Then you were there, so when you were there, and a part of me keep hold on, just in case it hasn't gone and quit until it's far. Do you still care? It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. My God, it's reminding